Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable colleagues, as you have clearly stated, the President has returned the Appropriations Bill under Article 91.3c of the Constitution. We are all aware that the financial year in Uganda starts on 1st July of every subsequent year. Before I direct myself exactly on the provisions of the law, Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable colleagues, it is indeed the constitutional mandate of Parliament to appropriate money against the proposals that have been made by the President in the budget estimates in accordance with Article 156. While we exercise this mandate, the approval of the budget must be done in comparison to the budget that is presented by the Executive. That means this is a shared responsibility of both the Executive and the Parliament. Honourable Chimosho did mention here that we were all in the House when this bill was passed. And this Parliament constitutes a front bench and a back bench. And therefore, we are collectively responsible for the decisions that were made in this House on that day. Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable colleagues, the decision for the President to return the bill is also founded in law. And the decision of the President to return the bill to this House is backed by both the Constitution and even our rules of procedure. And as such, we are not operating outside any provisions of the law. While we do this appropriation, honourable colleagues and members,
Order, Madam.
we need to consider the priorities both of government and also the available resources. So, Right Honourable Speaker and honourable colleagues, when the bill is brought back to Parliament, it should not be taken as an offensive act by the Executive. Right Honourable Speaker and honourable colleagues, the framers of this Constitution were alive. The framers of this Constitution were alive to the fact that there will come a day when July 1 comes to pass before the Appropriations Act is passed. In Article 154(4), the exercise of the executive authority by the President to issue a warrant can be done before 1st July or after. Honourable colleagues, we don't have a crisis. Government, there are sufficient legal mechanisms to ensure that government continues running. I want to implore your colleagues, let us all sit down and reconsider.
Council,
Yes.
you mean a warrant has been issued?
No, the warrant has not been issued, but what Honourable Dur was asking is what happens, and we are saying that we are well within our rights because the Constitution anticipated that we can deal with the Appropriations Act even after 1st July. There is no warrant current. Thank you.